All right, Adam, you're getting the car into drive spec to get on the road to Swan Hill. How did your day go?
It's the earliest I've got out of here, that's for sure. Normally I'm here right until the end and racing right to the end. The first few passes we had major dramas, couldn't make boost on the first few passes. Found a broken line going to our blow-off valve, so that was just pushing them open. So on gate pressure we were only managing 760s, something like that, 780s. Finally got the boost into it and had all of the boost way too early, so faced the wall. And then fourth run we went out and just progressived it down there with the Haltech and got down really clean for a 650, which equates to 780 over the quarter.
So you reckon that traction control's working?
We haven't even got it yet. This is the day to get the data.
Right.
So we're trying to get data sorted out.
Happy days. So yeah, third overall, you're second for most of the day. Now you're third overall by a B-stick. It's a pretty good start to the week.
Mate, the guy that knocked me out of second is definitely someone who's well deserving to knock me out of second, so I can't believe I'm so close to Frank. That's definitely one hell of a car, that thing.